हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। स्टैंडर्ड 7 हनीकॉम वर्कबुक पहले की वीडियो ने पूरी सारी एक्सरसाइज टेक्स्ट बुक की कंप्लीट कर दी। अभी हम वर्कबुक की एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करेंगे। यूनिट 3, गोपाल एंड द हिल्सा फिश। सिलेक्ट द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शंस एज आंसर्स एंड कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग sentences. Put the letter A, B, C or D corresponding to the correct option in the box given against each question. Blank were talking about the Hilsa fish. D. Gopal took up the challenge. 2. B. Gopal dressed himself in such a way that he looked like a C. The onlookers called Gopal. D. The king blanked Gopal in the end. A. Say whether the following sentences are true or false. Put for the true and for false in the given boxes. Hilsa fish was the talk of the town. It's true. Fishmongers were not happy selling fish at cheap prices. False. Nobody but Gopal was talking about Hilsa fish in the court. False. Gopal went out with half-shaved beard. True. Gopal's wife was not happy allowing him to go out in the tattered clothes. True. When Gopal started dancing and singing loudly at the court gate, the gatekeepers allowed him to enter the court. False. Answer the following questions in 2 to 3 sentences each. What happened when the king heard his courtiers talking about Hilsa fish? When the king heard his courtiers talking about Hilsa fish, he lost his temper and warned them that they were courtiers and not fishermen. But the king soon felt guilty looking at his nervous and humble courtiers whom he had rebuked. His tone changed and he said that it was the season of Hilsa and nobody could be stopped from talking about it. Okay, second, what 3 things did Gopal do before he went to buy Hilsa fish? Gopal half shaved his face, made as on his body and worn leggings before going out to buy a Hilsa fish. एक्चुअली ये टेक्स्ट बुक का क्वेश्चन ही है. Third, how did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish? Gopal started singing and dancing in front of the palace at a loud voice. Observing his worried appearance and the strange behavior. The guards did not allow him to enter the palace, but when the king heard two noise, he ordered his men to bring the nuisance maker inside the palace. उसके बाद आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन द 4 to 5 sentences each. Who was Gopal? What was the challenge given to him by the king? How he won it? Gopal was one of the wise men in the king's court. When the king was fed up with ongoing talks about Hilsa fish, he challenged Gopal. Gopal happily accepted the challenge of the buying a huge Hilsa fish from the market and to ensure that on the way from the market to the palace, no one should talk to him about the fish. Gopal was an intelligent man. He dressed up like a madman and his appreciations caused everyone's attention. He reached the court without anyone talking about the fish as everyone was drawn towards his appreciations. Second, explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. No one was interested in talking about the Hilsa fish because the varied get-up of Gopal had divided everybody's attention from the Hilsa fish. Gopal was wearing rags, his face was half shaven and the ash was just smeared over his body. People were more interested in his appreciations than in the fish. Last, why did Gopal's wife find his activities strange? Gopal had half shaven his face mad as over himself had put on rags. ओके, क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हो गए. दूसरे वीडियो में हम लोग एडिशनल एंड एक्सरसाइज देखेंगे अभी.